Atossa Therapeutics announces receipt of FDA safe to proceed letter for treatment of an ovarian cancer patient with oral endoxifen under expanded access pathway. This news came out yesterday and it caused the stock to spike over 10% on the day. In just 3 minutes, I'm going to tell you guys the significance of this news and also what to look for later in my technical analysis if you are looking to get into this stock or add on to your positions. So if you don't remember, last month the same drug endoxifen halted their ongoing phase 2 clinical trials because the results were overwhelmingly positive. So this news today, which is a safe to proceed letter, is saying that there's a patient who has recurrent ovarian cancer that will be using a combination of endoxifen and another drug to help treat her. And why this is important is because they only do this for patients with serious disease or condition or immediately life-threatening condition to gain access to an investigational medical product for treatment outside of clinical trials when no comparable or satisfactory alternate therapy options are available. So even though endoxifen is still in clinical trials, they are going to be working with this patient to hopefully cure her. And Atossa has said if these results are promising, they will consider doing additional clinical studies in patients with ovarian cancer. So this is all extremely good news, and I was already super bullish on this company as I said in my previous video on Atossa, and this just adds on to that. So before we get into the technical analysis, we can see that analyst price targets are $6.25 as an average, and right now they are trading at just $3.25. So keep that in mind as I go into my technical analysis portion of the video. So now on the chart of Atossa Therapeutics, the first point that I marked out is this daily top resistance, which is a very strong level, and this bottom support. So now going down to the 4-hour time frame, we can start to see the structure more clearly. And we were making this bearish structure of lower lows and lower highs, but we recently broke out of this structure and made a higher high. And what I am expecting to happen now is for us to make a higher low above this support level and then continue this bullish trend up to the daily resistance level. I also want to mention that this higher low might not be as clear as I am drawing it. It might happen in a form of a flag pattern, a break and retest, or even just sideways consolidation with a breakout to the upside. I also look at Bollinger Bands and RSI, especially after news, because usually traders push the price up way into overbought territory and we then see a pullback within the next few days. And the RSI is approaching 70, which is a sign that it is overbought and the price is tapped into the upper Bollinger Band. And the reason that I'm telling you guys this is because it makes even more sense now for us to pull back and make a higher low to continue to go up and retest the highs. And that is exactly what I'm going to be looking for, and if that happens, I think we can maintain this healthy trend up to $4.50 in the short term and reach the analyst projections of $6.50 in the near future. So if you guys want to see more analysis like this, consider subscribing and comment down below and tell me how many shares of Atossa are you holding. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time.